When you look at simplified document retrieval with Scandocs, the workflow here becomes pretty easy. We capture documents with a Muratec MFP. Those documents are, if they're hard copy, scanned, delivered to a folder on your PC or network, and then the Scandocs search tool is used to not only find those documents wherever they happen to be on your network, but also up to 200 other file formats, even including documents that may be on the web. So how does all this work? Well, from the capture and scan standpoint, you've either created electronic documents or you load the hard copy documents into your Muratec MFP, push one button, the start button, and those documents are delivered to a folder. In the meantime, Scandocs is watching those folders. As soon as a document comes in there, it's indexed and immediately ready for retrieval. The search tool functions, as you can see on the upper portion of the right-hand screen here, very much looks like a Google search engine. Now, most people are familiar with Google, which is designed to search for public data. Think of Scandocs as Google for your personal data. It helps you find the files that you have on your own computer or network. Once you do, in the lower part of the screen here, you can see that you can view the documents. And there are a number of other things that you can do with it as well, and you'll see that as we go through the demonstration here in just a minute. As I mentioned earlier, it's not just for scanned images, although it will do PDF, TIFF, JPEG files, but up to 200 different file formats, as you can see on this particular search. Scandocs found Excel documents, Word documents. It can do PowerPoint, web-based documents, even Microsoft Outlook. And with Outlook, I should mention, it will not only allow you to find the emails, but it'll also index and allow you to find all the attachments to those emails. So it can be a pretty powerful tool for your customer to use. I'm going to take just a minute here and show you how Scandocs works and also what might be involved in showing your customer how it works. This is the Scandocs search screen. As I mentioned, it looks a little bit like Google. Here's where you will enter the search criteria, and the search criteria can be any information that is on the documents that you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to look for something to do with our Model 3590 MFP. Type that into the search area, touch the Recollect button, and within a few seconds, Scandocs will give us a list of documents that contain that information. As you can see, everything from Excel to Word, TIFF, JPEG. At this point, I can select a document. By touching the link, I can view that document right within Scandocs Viewer. As you can see, it's highlighted the information here that we were looking for. But there's more that I can do as well. By selecting the document, checking it right here, now I can email that document to someone. I can print it on any printer that I have set up on my PC, or if I have my Muratec PC fax driver loaded, I could fax it to someone. I also have the ability to view that document in native application, and if I push that button, in this case I'm looking at a Word document, so it's going to open up Microsoft Word, and then I can view that original document. That's really all there is to it. Pretty powerful search tool, pretty easy for folks to use.